Pretty long lineup today, right outside of the security checkpoint. I guess they only have one gate open. And nobody's standing underneath the sheltered thing that they put here. I gotta say, I really like this new music that they have playing out in front of here. It's kind of like epic score music. Okay, well, hello everybody and welcome back. It is a rainy, windy day here today at Canada's Wonderland, but it has not stopped everybody from showing up. It is busy here today despite this terrible weather. The forecast has called for thunderstorms basically all day. Let's see what happens. Now, as a rule of thumb, if you want to know what line to pick, just pick the one that I'm not in, because whichever one I choose is always the one that takes the longest. I'm going to try this one, but let's see. Holy moly, it is busy here today. What is going on? Well, look at this. The sun is peeking out a little bit, although those do look like rain clouds. Let's see what happens. The forecast has been absolutely wrong over the past little while, so maybe today will be an absolutely beautiful day. And in case you didn't know, this weekend is the last weekend of Brew and BBQ. That's on Saturday and Sunday. And if you don't like barbecues or brews, it's still an awesome spot to come and watch Alpenfury do its thing. The Grand World Eatery is still closed. It says it's opening summer 2026. Summer officially starts on June 21st. Will this open this Sunday? I guess we'll see. Well, how about this? There is some work going on the DareDeviler. What is this? They're doing some soldering. Okay, one of the support beams is being soldered. What does that mean? Looks like they've got like a panel. It looks like they've got a section of the support beam opened up. So we also still have no biplane in the spot where the F-14 fighter jet was. And we also have no sign and the sign frame here. So I don't think that this DareDeviler is going to be ready to be opened by this weekend. We've talked a little bit about the logo, this image here being AI generated, wondering if it is or isn't. It's hard to say, but there has been some Six Flags parks using AI for their t-shirt logos. What do we think? Are these also AI generated? Well, here's a new update. So all of the construction fencing from this area has been removed. And we have the regular fence here. And here was the area where the construction vehicles were coming in and out. And previously they had construction fences similar to the ones over there, right here, but they're gone now. This is a good sign, I think. Now, let me tell you, these rain clouds are not good for going on the rides, but they are working wonders for these flowers here. Look at how vibrant these are turning out. There is absolutely nobody in this area of the park, but we need somebody to show up so that they can move the fence. Sledgehammer is still down. Well, somehow the weather is beautiful. Yet again, the weatherman fails. But in the benefit of the people that are here, the wait time for Behemoth is only 10 minutes. And there are only like 3 people in the single rider line. Actually, you know what? I think I spoke too soon. The clouds aren't looking as nice over there. Hard to know how long the wait for backlot stunt coaster is today because the sign says 0 minutes, yet there are people visibly in the queue. The queue for Mindbuster isn't looking too bad. It's ending right around there. Windseeker is not running. And the skies are looking a little grim over there, but Yukon Striker apparently is only a 0-minute wait. Tundra Twister currently unaffected by the weather, and it is also a walk-on. Nobody in the queue. And you're gonna wanna watch where you are walking today. There are a lot of puddles. Actually, maybe I can get a cool shot of Yukon Striker through the puddle. Wow, that was kind of cool. Man, this weather is really messing with us today. Is it gonna rain? Looks like rain over there, but looks nice over there. Look at the sun poking through. I think it's gonna rain. Ah, man, I was really hoping this would be open today so I could get that chicken wrap. Not that anyone cares, but Lumberjack is a walk-on. Nobody in line for this today. Vortex seems to still be super popular. There are a lot of people in the line, and we are looking at an advertised wait time. Here, I see it. There it is, 35 minutes. 35 minutes for Vortex. Why is this ride so popular all of a sudden? Looks like the Fly is down today. The Fly is down, and there are a lot of people in the human zoo. It is packed. And I'm sure most of these people in this line are hoping that it is not going to rain, because that is not going to be awesome for all these folk. So Alpen Fury, the wait time posted is saying it's going to be a 90-minute wait. I don't know, maybe, I guess. It's pretty packed in there. The express and single rider queues are pretty empty. Honestly, I don't know, this is kind of a waste of space, isn't it? There's hardly ever anyone in this covered area. Maybe they should change that to incorporate some of the standby queue into here. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. And just like last year and every day, there are backpacks all over the place. Is this safe to leave your backpack here just so you can get out of paying for the locker? I don't know. It doesn't seem safe to me, but maybe it is. Let me know what you think in the comments. Absolutely massive line for Shockwave today. I am shocked. Unfortunately, yes, it would seem the bat is closed today. And it is pretty busy in the Medieval Fair area. Let's see what the wait time is for Leviathan. Okay, so that's an advertised 45-minute wait time for Leviathan. Lots of people in the queue here, which 45 minutes is actually pretty reasonable. There does seem to be quite a few people in the queue, so let's see, is this gonna be a true 45 minutes or might it be a little longer? Let's see how far back this goes. Okay, this queue goes the entire way back there. All the way back. Is that a 45-minute wait or is that maybe a little longer? And as can be expected on a day like today, Drop Tower is closed due to high winds. Now, of course, we are all excited for the DareDeviler, but is anyone gonna miss Flight Deck? Is anyone gonna miss Top Gun? Well, if you are, guess what? Hop on into the Arcadium, and inside this magical, colorful world, you will find, check it out, Top Gun. There it is. It's back, Top Gun, the ride, in arcade form. I don't know, I think these clouds might just move right past. There's only a few really dark ones now, but they seem to be going this way. Maybe it's going to be a really nice day here at the park. Shockingly, there's actually quite a few people waiting to go on Dragonfire. I just posted a POV of this ride on my channel the other day. Check it out if you haven't already.
We'll see you during the ride or study main passenger seatbelt at this time. Please maintain it
So close. Whoa, you know, I thought something looked a little different, but I couldn't put my finger on it. Something's missing from this area here. Something used to be right there, I think. The Thirsty Dragon is now over here. What is going on? There are tables now. They're more spaced out. You know what? I think this actually makes more sense for this little beer and snack shack to exist here, because when this stunt show starts at the end of the month, this is going to be prime real estate. Sit here, have a beer, have a snack, and watch the stunt divers do their thing. Still no shows at the Canterbury Theatre. Tang Hulu is now available at the Sweet Spot. And the Watchtower Stunt Show is not the only diving stunt show. On June 27th, the same day, we are going to be seeing the Victoria Falls divers return to Wonder Mountain to do their amazing show. Well, here is something new. So there are some new discounted items. These dragons are still here, but we have a whole bunch of wine glasses. They're like horror-themed wine glasses. There's some skulls, the Skull Collection. What are these? These are just little chattering skulls. They're going for $39.99, but I would imagine there's a discount on top of that. And there's a whole bunch of Harry Potter stuff. Whomping Willow Tree animated. Gringotts Bank. Look at this. 100% That Witch. In terms of those varsity shirts and crew necks, this looks like the only one that's left, Yukon Striker. And it is, well, it doesn't have a price tag on it, but it's hard to say if it's on sale or not. Before, these style of shirts and crew necks were not on sale, but now it's mixed in with all the other stuff that is on sale, so maybe it is on sale. Check this out. Creepy. There is all sorts of magical, almost dramatic music playing. I don't know when they started doing this, but I love it. Ramen, I love ramen. So this guy is still soldering away on what looks to be an open panel on one of the support beams here on the DareDeviler. What does it mean? Is this going to delay the opening even further? Okay, there's some new stuff in the station, but what are these? Could these possibly be the storage bins? Don't want to go all the way to Universal Studios to go to Jurassic Park? Don't even worry about it. We got it right here at Canada's Wonderland. Jurassic Park, the arcade game. I did a video on all the main course items at Coasters that I posted last week. What do you think? What's the best food item at Coasters? Let me know. Hiding bags behind trees. Is this safe? Whoa. The goat, previously from Bayern's Curve, that is now here, is wearing a red shirt. So this little dude is representing the Canadian soccer team. All right, so those are all the updates for you today. The weather's looking great and looks like the bat is running as well. So things have taken a turn for the better. So come on down to the park. Nice weather. It's a little crowded, but is what it is. If you liked what you saw today, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button to stay in the loop. And as always, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm on my way out and I might have to change my own prediction for the weather today. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's about to rain. Anyway, thanks for watching.